Hello everyone, my PS ID is SIS25014. My PS title is Waste Segregation Monitoring System for Urban Local Bodies and my theme is Clean and Green Technology. Now let us begin with the first slide. The first slide is of trash tech. In this slide is divided into two parts, that is proposed solution and the second one is process framework. Now let us begin with the proposed solution part. In this, the automatic waste segregation is a system that uses AI-powered cameras and sensors to automatically separate different types of waste, ensuring efficient recycling and reducing human effort. Now the next one is EcoCoin rewards. Household earn EcoCoins based on the weight of the garbage they dispose of properly. Real-time analysis. Users and administrators can track the status of bin in real time through a connected app. Self-sterilization, recycling and revenue generation. Recycling the waste by selling it and generating a revenue. Now the next one is AI chatbot assistance. Portal for admins and users allows both admin and users to monitor the bin usage. Now let us begin with the next part, that is process framework. This process framework describes the flow of waste from its segregation to recycling and also how we can generate eco points and rewards through it.
Now here we look for our technical approach. So we are using different type of sensors and camera module to identify the type of waste in the bin. The first one is ultrasonic sensor, which is used to identify the level of waste in the bin. The second one is inductive proximity sensor, which identifies the metal and as well as e-waste. The third one is raindrop sensor, which differentiate between the wet and dry waste. The fourth one is load cell. These all are connected with the Arduino Uno and get programmed according to that. The last one is camera module, which is used to identify the type of waste and connected with the Raspberry Pi. After analyzing the type of waste, it automatically gets separated with the help of servo motor. Now, if the variety of waste got dumped together, our system sends alert signal, and after alert signal, it can be got separated manually. Now, moving on to the next point, that is eco-quiet reward generation. Our system sends the data to the cloud via Raspberry Pi, where the whole information about the waste is estimated, like amount of waste as per their type and correct separation. So, on the basis of these details, EcoCoin get generated. EcoCoin reward can be in the form of discount on some online shopping or electronic bill, etc. Now, in software we have three type of languages, that is uh, Python, JavaScript and C++. Python and JavaScript is used for programming our Raspberry Pi, and C++ is used in Arduino Uno. Now here is IoT platform and databases. We are using cloud servers, that is Google Cloud IoT and AWS IoT Core. In database, we have used MySQL and MongoDB. Now, moving on to the next point, that is hardware component. So as we discussed previously about microprocessor, actuators and sensors, now we are
Okay, so first I'm going to talk about feasibility. So feasibility tell us whether this project can realistically be implemented with available technologies, resources, and budget. So technically this project is feasible with readily available hardware, economically it is cost effective with long-term saving potential, and operationally it is simple to use, maintain, and integrate. And in market there is high rising demand for sustainable smart solution. And next, viability. Viability tell us whether the solution can survive and sustain in real world conditions for both practically and financially. So it is a unique and smart approach to waste management and reduces waste and promotes sustainability. It can be expanded for larger communities or cities. Now moving to impact and benefit highlight how this project will affect users, society, and environment. So, it supports Swachh Bharat Abhiyan with urban local bodies waste segregation, reduces landfill and fuel consumption of collecting vehicles, and support climate change mitigation and try to give new green jobs with revenues. Now coming to the next slide, which is research and references. So these are the references we have used while preparing this project, which helped us in the form of article and some common researches which we used. With this, I conclude my project and thank you for listening.